Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Vignesh. Myself Vignesh Anand. Hope you are everyone enjoying your puja holidays. So, in this video, we are going to simply say or simply gonna talk about the puja. In India, Durga Puja is celebrated in our north western side of our country, which means in Assam, Bengal, West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, like that area. Mostly the Durga Puja is celebrated. Uh, this main celebration is due to the Durga Devi who is killing the Mahishasuran, I think so. Mahishasuran. In Tamil Nadu, we will celebrate as a Vijay Dasami, then Lakshmi Puja, Ayudha Puja, like that. So, in our country, uh, in some of the area, they will celebrate as a Dasara leave. Then in some of the area they will celebrate as a starting of a Navaratri for 9 days. They are going to keep some uh, god ideals, which means statues and everything, and they will worship for that. So likewise, in India, there will be a lot of different cultures celebrating these puja holidays, which means the same day in each state there will be a different kind of celebration will be happening. Like the naming will be different. Anyhow, the celebration will be like more or less same. In West Bengal, Assam, Orissa, then Bihar, like northwestern side of our country. This Durga Puja will be celebrated at least for a week or even for 9 days of the Navaratri function. They will celebrate. Then in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, then in Karnataka, likewise. In southern side of our country, India, they will celebrate like in a different way. Like Vijay Dasami, they will uh, keep their notebooks and everything, and they will worship for a god Saraswati, who is known as a god of brain, like uh, god of studies, like that. Then next day, Ayudha Puja, which means Lakshmi Puja, they will celebrate in a different way. Like they are going to keep their working tools or equipment or even autos, bicycles, like two wheelers, four wheelers. For that, they will do some pujas and everything. So in this way, they will differently celebrate this puja holidays. Then in some of the area, Dasara, in the sense uh, Ramayanam, how the Ramayanam has happened. Like Raman will kills the Ravanan, who is known as a Asurar. So, or a demon king. They will call him as a demon king. Actually, he is also a king and a good. In his side, he is a good person, Ravan. So, hope you are enjoying this video. I think so. Have a good and nice puja holidays. Thanks everyone. Thank you and enjoy your life. Nandri, Vanak.